great day. Hi, I'm Katie Farley, reporting live from the Falkland Islands, otherwise known as the South Pacific Islands. Today we are here to talk about penguins. Hi, I'm Katie Farley. I'm here with some of the actual Falkland Island penguins. Some of these penguins can be very vicious and... I'm here right now with some octopus that these penguins like to have these little squid, and then these are some shellfish that they also eat. I'm here with one of these rockhopper penguins. Rockhoppers have sharp claws, and they to help keep their footing on rocks. But most penguins have webbed feet to help them. Rockhopper penguins are small and aggressive and have blood red eyes. These penguins are flightless birds, and through evolution, their wings became flippers so they could be better adapted to life in the water. These penguins are native to the southern hemisphere. The rockhopper penguins, as you saw, are still very small and aggressive, and when moving around their rocky colonies, they hop from rock to rock, which is how they got their names. Royal penguins stay at sea all winter and only come to Macquarie Island in the fall to breed. Royal penguins were named because of the yellow crest on their head. They can be up to 30 inches high. Penguins have adapted so they can jump very high when they leap out of the water onto the land. All royal penguins have a synchronized breeding cycle, and they only breed on Macquarie Island. So that's all for this report. See you next time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I want to see it. Ready? Bubble. Blow bubble. One more. 1, 2, 3.